have to wait maybe like another 10 days, 7 to 10, or maybe might be more. So when it will grow up, so then we have to remove, and then we have to plant where you can see this all the way water till that corner, and all the way. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is once again I'm over here for our this another project where we have this land, and we have to execute with the rice cultivations. So probably maybe we have to wait for the planting, which I'm in the nursery, which will be going to ready very soon, maybe like another week or 10 days. So once it will be ready, so then we have to execute for the planting. So let's see how for the best. Inshallah, that's good for us, and inshallah khair. Yeah, so this is Mr. John, right? Papa John. Papa Ruth. And this is your father? Shimu, yes, nice to meet you. So actually this father and son, they will be here, so they will take care of this our the rice. So the father, he said because that nursery, what you call this small plant in your language, what name? 7 days now finish. How many days more? You said before 27 days. Like this. So maybe how many days? 10, 27, like 1 month. So after 1 month we will remove and fix new place, right? This the whole all area. Ah, that's good. So after finish, how many 2 months, 3 months coming big? 3 months, right? 4 months. 4 months we will cut. Okay, so now we are January, February start. So February, March we will plant. March, April, May, June. So June harvesting. June last harvesting. That's good. June first week, inshallah. Okay, inshallah. Good luck for us. This the how much area?
No. The mga siguro 8,000.
8,000 square meter, including this. This separate.
1,000.
This is 1,000 and 8,000. So 9,000. Okay, that's good. So the total area which we have it. So the harvesting area which we have under is 8,000, and this area where we are standing, which is surrounded by this all the trees and including their house over here, and this part is 1,000 square meter, right, sir? That's good. So total 9,000. Okay, that's good. So this is the update so far for today. So at least I have some additional information in terms of planting rice particularly. So in this case, what I came to know that in order to harvest, in order to plant rice, first the seed in certain area you have to plant it. So until they will be certain in length or size, that maybe probably it will take 30 days, like 4 to 5 weeks, until it will reach to certain size and height. Then they will remove it one by one, and then they will plant it again into the designated the whole land. So this is a process which I came to know and I am learning. So then for example, now this is the beginning of February. So by end of February our plants will be ready to plow it, or what do you call this one, another terms, because I'm lack of this some wording. So we will transfer into another certain areas, then they will take another 3 to 4 months to get ready for harvesting. Let's see, inshallah. So, this is the updates